Okay, today we are going to make banana nut bread. Make sure to preheat the oven to 350. Have 3 bananas. Make sure they're overripe and dark. You have 1/3 cup of butter, unsalted. You're going to mash it all together. Mix it really well. Whisk an egg. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just add that all in. Do a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. You have 2/3 cups of sugar. I use half brown sugar and the other just regular white CNH. Add a pinch of salt. I use pink Himalayan. It's all up to you what you use. 1.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Used a silicone spatula just to fold it all in together. You don't need any mixers or power appliances to put this together other than the oven. It should look something like this, a little sticky. Then you want to grease your pan. I got the pan from dollar store, and I can use spray oil. If you don't have that, then just use a napkin and your oil choice. I'm gonna top it off with walnuts. These are chopped up pretty good. I just put a nice layer over the top. All up to you if you want to add those or not. Throw it in the oven. Remember, it's been preheated to 350, so it should be ready. For about an hour. I just added 9 extra minutes just in case, but it turns out it was perfect after 1 hour. Take a look at that. So I used a butter knife to kind of scrape it off the sides, but it didn't really stick too much. As you can see, it just popped right out. And then you cut it up and serve and enjoy. Super simple. Takes about an hour 10.